Hi everybody and welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about this and that. Now this and that are used to talk about nouns that are close to us, near, or far away. Okay, so let's look at the board. This is a flower. Okay, we use this to talk about one noun, a flower, that is close. Okay, this is a flower. It's not far, it's close. That is a flower. Okay, we use that to talk about one noun that's far away. So that is a flower. Okay, for another example, this is a marker. It's close to me. But that is a marker. It's far away. Okay, let's move on to the next part. So we know this is a flower. Okay, and that is a flower. That. Now, is this a flower? What is it? It's a chair. So we have to use the negative. This isn't a flower. It's close by, but it isn't a flower. Isn't is a contraction for is not. Okay? This isn't a flower. This is a chair. That isn't a flower. It's far away, so we say that. Again, we have isn't a flower. That's a chair. And let's take another example. This isn't a pencil. This is a marker. And that isn't a pencil. That is a marker. Okay, let's move on to the next part. Now we're going to learn how to use this and that in a question. Okay, so we know this is a flower. When we make a question, we have to switch. We put the be verb first. So it becomes, is this a flower? Okay, it's close by. So the answer is yes, it is. Okay, is that a flower? It's far away. The answer is yes, it is. Okay, but how about this? This isn't a flower. So, is this a flower? The answer is no, it isn't. Is that a flower? No, it isn't. Okay, here. Is this a marker? Yes, it is. Is that a marker? Yes, it is. Is this a pencil? No, it isn't. Is that a pencil? No, it isn't. Okay, so we learned this and that in this video. I hope you guys understand, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Hi everybody, and welcome to this video. We're going to talk about how to use these and those. Okay, just like we learned with this and that, we use these and those to talk about nouns that are close to us or far from us. Okay, so let's take a look at the board. Now, we know if there's just one and it's close to us, we say this is a flower. Okay, but there's more than one. It's plural. So we have to say these. These are flowers. Again, more than one. Now, I changed the be verb to are, and I added an S at the end of flower. So, these are flowers. Okay, now, there's one that's far away. We say, that is a flower. But, again, there's more than one. There are two flowers. So, in that case, we use those are flowers. those are flowers. They're far away. So those are flowers. Let's look at these. This is a marker. These are markers. That is a marker. Those are markers. Okay, let's move on to the next part. So we know these are flowers. They're close by. And for the flowers that are far away, we say those are flowers. Okay, but over here we have chairs. So we have to use the negative. Okay, we use the contraction aren't, which is short for are not. These aren't flowers. These aren't flowers. Okay, and for the chairs that are far away, we say those aren't flowers. Those aren't flowers. Okay, and let's try with the markers. These aren't pens. These aren't pens. Okay, and far away, those aren't pens. Those aren't pens. Okay, let's move on to the next part. Now we're going to make some questions. We know these are flowers. When you want to make a question, you have to change these are and put the be verb first. So it becomes, are these flowers? Are these flowers? And the answer is yes, they are. Okay, now the flowers are far away. So we say, are those flowers? Are those flowers? And again, the answer is yes, they are. Okay, now here we have chairs. Are these flowers? The answer is no, they aren't. Okay, and now they're far away. Are those flowers? And again, the answer is no, they aren't. How about these? Are these markers? Yes, they are. Are those markers? Yes, they are. Are these pens? No, they aren't. Are those pens? No, they aren't. Okay, so in this video, we learned how to use these and those. I hope you guys understand, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Let's do some practice with this, that, these, and those. First, I have this pen. I have to say, this is a pen. This is a pen. Okay? Over there, that is a pen. That is a pen. Now, I have two pens. These are pens. These are pens. Okay, I'm going to move them far away. Those are pens. Those are pens. Okay, let's move on to questions. I have one pen. Is this a pen? Yes, it is. Is this a cookie? No, it isn't. Is that a pen? Yes, it is. Is that a cookie? No, it isn't. Okay, two pens. Are these pens? Yes, they are. Are these cookies? No, they aren't. Now they're over here. Are those pens? Yes, they are. Are those cookies? No, they aren't. Okay, so that was our practice for this, that, these, and those. I hope you guys understood, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!